to the Rankled Engineer. So we've got a quick build today, and what's special about this build is I'm going to make him do everything. So we have this 3D printer that we bought from a friend, and this little holder supports the filament reels.
Yeah, except little did we know, since this filament holder goes through a hole that's in a piece of aluminum that's attached to the 3D printer, this screw piece used to go on here, and it used to go in that hole. Till eventually, when we moved it from one shelf to another, we set it down.
When you moved it.
Yeah, because you put it on my puzzle.
Okay, so it broke, and we epoxied it back together, and that didn't work.
Yeah, because the piece of aluminum just keeps shearing it off because it's...
So we know in the maker community, when you're using a 3D printer, everything you build your 3D printer out of is supposed to be 3D printed. I'm saying forget that. So we've got some 1/2-inch threaded rod and some PVC that fits. So we're going to just use this to clamp to the bracket, and it should never break again.
Yeah, because I don't think aluminum's going to beat steel.
Alright, so we will need to cut this. We need to cut this. We're going to drill out an end piece so that when this is on here, it has something to stop against it. Because the washer is about the same size as the PVC, so it's not going to stop that reel from popping off. So I say we go ahead and let's cut the threaded rod first. So using these two things as a template, so it needs to be this far, plus your block of wood, plus a few fasteners, plus a few more. So we're just going to cut it like, let's just cut it at 7 inches. So you're just going to go slow.
Got it.
What you need to do is go ahead and just run this all the way out the end. That's hot. So.
Yay.
When you're cutting PVC, you gotta go slow.
You don't want to shatter it.
Right, so you're gonna hold it right here.
Okay.
Go nice and slow. Turn it on. Alright, so we need to drill out. This is clamped, but you're going to want to hold it there.
Just slow?
Nice and slow, and you only need to go through this layer. That's just to protect
Got it.
the bit. That should fit on there. And then there, and then there. So we are.
Don't we have to cut another piece of that, or?
No. Like I said, that goes here. Then this, then that, then this, and that enables that to sit right on there.
Okay.
So that was nice and easy. We are done. How was that?
Fun.
That was a good few minutes spent. So we're going to go install this. We'll throw some pictures up of it in action. Thanks for joining the Rankled Engineer and this superstar, the Junior Rankled Engineer. Have a good one.